welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making an easy lemon curd recipe. Ever wonder how to make lemon curd? Well, you don't have to look any further. For our ingredients, we have unsalted butter, sugar, salt, lemon juice, lemon zest, and egg yolks. The first thing I am going to do, I'm going to separate my egg yolks. And that's what we're doing here. I just want to see how is everyone doing today while we are separating these egg yolks. I am doing wonderful. I'm going to start introducing myself a little bit more to Baby We Eats. I know it's been very straight to the point, but I want to get to know everybody. Comment down below if you have a channel I would love to follow. I love to chit chat in the comment section, so leave some conversations. Let's talk. Let's talk about these recipes, what you like to cook. You know, not all about Baby We Eats or the recipes sometimes, but sometimes I like to get to the recipes, you know, on to the recipe. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to melt our butter in a heavy bottom saucepan over medium heat. Now the next thing we're going to do to our butter, we're going to add our sugar and our salt. And we're going to whisk our sugar, salt, and butter together for about 1 to 2 minutes. The next thing we're going to do, I am going to turn my heat off and I'm going to add my lemon juice and my lemon zest. Then we're going to add in our egg yolks. We're going to whisk, combining everything together. You want to place your saucepan back on the heat and we're going to cook. We're going to whisk continuously until mixture thickens and coats the back of your spoon. That takes anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. Now I did turn my heat on medium high, not too high, because we don't want to burn our mixture. You have to continuously whisk, and once it starts to thicken up, which I'm going to show you here, is coating the back of my spoon, so that is perfect. You do not want to boil it. The next thing we're going to do, we are going to remove our saucepan. We're going to remove our saucepan from the heat. We are going to strain the mixture through a fine mesh sleeve into a bowl to remove any egg solid. This makes your lemon curd extra creamy. Here's a tip. You can use a spoon or a spatula to encourage the curd to go through the sleeve while leaving any solid bits. We're going to pour our curd into a storage jar and allow our curd to cool slightly. You're going to cover, then store in your refrigerator. Your mixture will further thickens as it cools. Okay, so once we are done, as you can see the solids, this is just the lemon zest that you see. And here's the lemon curd. You can see once we put it through our mesh that it is thickened up as it cools. So we're going to stick it in the refrigerator. And the next clip is I'm showing you it out of the refrigerator. And it has thickened up and it is really creamy. It was so delicious. Oh my God. Today we made lemon curd, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.